tipped to be the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh again. Rubina, as of now, that's the one state where the BJP has concrete and official reason to celebrate. And it's really been done single-handedly by the Chief Minister in a way, because as you were talking earlier, there was a lot of discontent with a lot of the local MLAs, but he still managed to hold on.
I can't hear you, but at the moment I'll ask my camera person to pan. You can see celebrations have already begun in Madhya Pradesh, both at BJP headquarters, and right now I'm at Chief Minister's residence, and it's clear that right now Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is going to retain his house over here. His wife Sadhana Singh came out and she showed us the victory sign. And this is a huge, a tall order for a man who started on a very shaky ground 3 years ago when he became the Chief Minister. He was ridiculed for his political naivety, and Congress leaders, especially Digvijay Singh, often addressed him as Pappu. But at the moment it seems Pappu is having the last laugh. BJP, in fact, throughout the campaign had been tom-tomming Shivraj. It was Shivraj, Shivraj, Shivraj all the way. And that is why BJP had projected him as the main person, as the main campaign. And here we can see all the party workers very enthusiastic, and even their slogan is all about Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Barka.
Right, and of course, Rubina, there has been some swing of vote share away from them, but I guess the bottom line is what counts, and the bottom line is that the BJP is keeping Madhya Pradesh. They also look pretty much like that Raman Singh remains as Chief Minister. So 2 incumbents they're holding on. Rajasthan at this point, Vasundhara is out. A campaign centered almost entirely around her, with a lot of BJP workers on the ground perhaps not backing her up. And Delhi, I think we can now call.
No, I like the way the crowd suddenly stopped when we were about to ask Rubina a question.
Yeah. Maybe we can go back to her. I don't know if she's still with us.
Rubina, are you still there?
Very much there.
Yeah, how come the very considerate crowd to let you listen to the question and then start celebrating when you're answering?
Yes, sir, in fact, the celebration has been going on for quite some time. They even got tired. And let me tell you, this is just a small group over here. If you go outside the CM's office, CM's residence, you see a huge crowd dancing over there, bursting crackers. It's the same scene at BJP headquarters. And Dr. Roy, this is a huge thing for Shivraj Singh Chauhan, a man who started on such a shaky ground, who was often ridiculed, but now he's having the last laugh.